You ever lose your wallet? Do you even have a wallet? And if you answer any of those two questions with any answer, guess what? I have the solution for you. Quality. Quality just smells beautiful. Y'all ever smelled quality? It's just... This right here is my X-Star Parliament Juniper Green wallet. This wallet is the bee's knees. Want to know why? Check this out. Boom! On the inside of the wallet, we have 2 open slots, which can be used for whatever fits your heart. You know what I mean? I'm here to give you options. Me and X-Star are here to give you options. My favorite feature is the quick card access. This is just so nice. You can fit up to 7 cards nice and smooth. And you also have 1 open slot on the back side. Now, the back side of the wallet is where the fun at. Now, what I have on the back side of my wallet is none other than our tracker. You heard me right. This thing tracks your wallet. If you ever lose your wallet, yeah, this will find it. I know, very brilliant. To set it up, pretty simple. Get your phone, has a QR code on the back. Scan the QR code. Boom, you see what it says right there? You see that right there? Open it up, ta-da! You wanna see something cool? Watch this. Hey Siri, ring my wallet.
Done.
It cannot get any cooler than that. Look at all these options. Such a beautiful thing. I'm not sure if you noticed, but this bad boy is solar panel. 2 hours in direct sunlight gives you 3 months. 3 months of usage. Technology is so beautiful. Just so beautiful. You see that little E logo in the middle? Let's double tap it and see what happens. If you would like to have your very own X-Star wallet, please be sure to use discount code ZOSH to save you 15% off your order today. Please click the first link down in the description box below. And X-Star, thank you for sponsoring this video. Greetings and salutations, my fellow YouTube comrades. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome back to part 2 of the JBTuned Flex Fuel Kit E85 swap, K swap, D swap, J swap. Fuel system we got going on today. And as you guys can see, last night I ended off on where the thing is all mounted and everything's good. So I got my new feed line already attached, and then my return is right here. Today's agenda would be to mount up our fuel filter with brackets, of course. And yeah, flex fuel sensor is somewhat hooked up. I didn't film it because I decided to, you know what I mean? I wanted to do it right, but I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. It's not mounted yet, and JB wants me to mount it with like a drill. Well, you want to mount it with bolts, but I'm thinking I might just 3M tape wrap mount it, because 3M tape on them, you know what I mean? It works. I'm gonna talk to JB beforehand. If he says no, I'm still gonna send it. JB, you know I love you, dog, but I ain't gonna drop no gas tank. And I know what you guys are probably thinking. Zosh, don't be lazy. This is what I'm thinking. I'm just gonna be lazy. It is what it is, babe. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm gonna do it the best way I can, alright? Alright, cool. So this right here comes off the line. I'll tighten up all this stuff right here. So this, our passenger side return line comes something like right here. And then the line that I have to run it'll be like right here. My fuel filter will be right here. So I mount the fuel filter right here, and then we should be good. So first things first, mounting this bad boy. And the one bag I showed you guys in the previous video of all like the fittings and what the silver fitting was for the rail to meet the regulator. You will find 2-10 fittings, and these go on the end of the fuel filter. So you got one there, and then you got one there. Following right along, we have the filter installed. I just gotta mount it up now. What I'm gonna do to mount it up is I'm gonna use self-tappers. I don't know if it's gonna really work, but that's what I'm gonna do. And it should hopefully work. I hope so. If it don't, it is what it is. I mean, I would use some 3M tape. Okay, quick update. As far as the filter is concerned, it's in there. Went to Ace Hardware, got some, you know, the vibes, the standard, you know, the usual, the per usual, the self-tapper screws. Hopefully they work. I mean, I don't know, I don't want these things vibrating loose and stuff, but I think I should be fine. So this goes in there like that, and you guys see how long that is. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, woo. So that's the goal right now, is to mop that up there, and then for the back of the blah 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 the thing, our flex fuel sensor. So let me show you guys how the flex fuel sensor. Where's my beanie? Cause I can't, you know what I mean? I can't get my scalp looking nasty. Hold on. Let me get my James hand. Okay, so this is my flex fuel sensor right here that I'm just gonna 3D, not 3D, but 3M tape this, because it's gonna be something like, I mean, with all this, I don't know, it's something like, you guys can't even see anything, but it'll be mounted nice and neat. I just gotta redo everything. I just gotta redo it because all this stuff's in the way. You see how the lines are all, I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. Who that? That's UPS. All right, guys, so quick update again, as the lighting is terrible. I got it mounted up, as you guys can hopefully see, probably not, but I used my self-tapper screw, and that thing is, bro, that thing's not going anywhere. I use this right here. This is basically what I used, and it works. Well, not this one, because this head is like a size 8, and the one I use is a size 10, so yeah. But it works though. Bracket, done. Tight, tight, tight. Everything is done besides the last and final thing. Mounting the flex fuel sensor. The flex fuel sensor is giving me the biggest headache right now. But aside from the flex fuel sensor, my fuel system, I think it's done. JB's gonna swing over real quick and hopefully help me mount this thing up, because the way I want to do it, I bought this 3M tape, the 3M tape mount up the flex fuel sensor, but that's probably not the best way to do it. So when JB gets here, we'll see exactly what we're gonna do to mount this thing up. Tapping back in for a progress report. JB is underneath the said DC2. Well, I wish it was a DC2. It's a DC4, but we're just gonna say it's a DC2. It makes it sound cool. Don't say that, JB. The Integra people are gonna be on your. It's no, bro. DC2 is different. Yeah. All right. So JB's messing around with the fuel filter. Well, the flex fuel sensor. My most proudest work is how I managed to. Okay, well that's kind of sloppy right there, but don't worry about it. They're all sloppy. Oh, kind of, yeah. It really look like that. You know what I mean? Well, it ain't too bad. You feel me?
Give yourself some credit, bro.
I know. I'm happy about that. You know what I mean? I put the OEM filter. Yeah. God dang it. Trust me, JB. This video I sounded very smart for the most part. It's just, I don't know. My mind's getting to that point again.
You notice how your neighbor just starts coughing randomly when you say shit like that, right?
He thinks it's not. He thinks probably funny or something. I don't know.
He's like smart. That's funny. All right, so we're just gonna need. This is perfect. We just need a little bit of slack on this, so I can just push this back up a little bit. And
okay, then so I have to send you slack from.
Yeah, we gotta. There should be more than enough up front to get us a little bit more back here.
All right, which would be. Oh, this should pull it. All right, there you go. Can you pull it? Day 3 of the Flex Fuel So it's day 3 of the Flex Fuel E85 JBTuned now the kit. And today's the day we finish up everything, like everything. So JB came by yesterday, and he's gonna come by later today too. He's gonna swap out a fitting for me. So he's gonna basically redo my kit and offer it to you guys. Instead of this being a 120 degree fitting, he's gonna put like, I think a 30 degrees. So it's gonna like drop straight down, tuck it all nice and neat. Put a bracket right here to hold the fuel, right here to hold the fuel line to that. And yeah, so all I'm gonna do right now before he gets here is clean up all underneath the bottom. The flex fuel sensor is mounted the best way I could without me dropping the fuel tank, and JB said it's a green light, it's good to go, it's not going anywhere, so perfect. I got it tucked up nice and neat. I'll show you guys that here in a second. And all I gotta do now is redo my attachment of my fuel lines cover and all that stuff. And that's it. Wait for JB to come by, see if Randy wants to help me wire in the, I'll probably wire it in myself. We gotta wire in the flex fuel sensor, ECU and all that stuff, and then from there, that's it. Wait for JB to come by, put the fitting on, crank this bad boy up, and we're good to go. So let's close out this video, baby. Let's do it. Get it. Okay, so I got the fuel trim for the lines all done right there. Flex fuel sensor is right there, just chilling right there. And yeah, JB yesterday put on a 90-degree fitting, so now it drops down to a 90, which goes straight down. Perfect. And all the way up there. So underneath the car is done. I can now lower the car. Yes, progress has been made. I know what you guys are probably thinking, yo, Zosh, bro, it's not detailed. Trust me, it very much is detailed. If you have a 97 Integra, from a 90, I guess 6 and up, your flex fuel sensor is gonna look something like that. You're gonna have to drop the gas tank, put some self-tappers or a rib nut, but you're gonna have to drop the gas tank to do that. Me, I don't wanna do that, so I did not drop my gas tank. My flex fuel sensor isn't going anywhere. So I mounted it right there, used all the hardware, well not hardware, but like the quick disconnect fittings that JBTuned provides. This kit comes with everything you need. Literally everything plus more. He gave you extra just in case you break something or you lose something, you have it ready to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it, baby. Let's get from underneath the car since we're done. We are done from being underneath the car. Thank God. Now I gotta lower it, put it back on all fours, and then that's it. Good, we're good. Hey, it's Michael. Hey, Michael.
What's going on, man?
And there's JBTuned. Aww, looking like a Dominican Papi Suave.
Let my hair collapsed. Hairline, not fleek, bro.
Nah, it's better than mine. Shit better than mine, dog. Bro. Fight him, JB.
Stop, don't do that.
Don't film?
Yeah, don't go.
God damn it. I done told people what I was gonna do. I guess I can't film.
Alright, you can film.
Alright, cool. I'm filming now. So what JB's doing right now is putting on a straight fitting other than the... Oh, I mean, not a straight... He's putting on a 35-degree fitting? 30-degree fitting compared to what I have on there, which is a 120. So he's basically removing it. And yeah, that's pretty much what he's doing. See how this got the black wrenches? Black Lives Matter. My man JB. So what I'm doing now is removing the cover of the ECU so JB can wire in the flex fuel sensor to the respected Honda board. You know what I mean? And then that's pretty much it. And then I gotta make it look nice and neat underneath because as you guys can probably see, it's hella wires. So make that look all nice. K Pro V4 gang, baby. And I guess that one wires to that one or that one.
Trash.
He's a Link fanboy. You know what I mean? He likes Link. Only thing I like linking is Yippee.
Don't even say it, bro. Don't even say it, bro.
I got everything I need. Everything I need. Oh, what's the Education Connection commercial? I got everything I need. That what commercial is that? I don't know. JB, would you know that commercial?
I don't watch TV, dude.
No, I was gonna say, you come on the black channels, so I'm gonna see what you.
What black channel's that, Percy?
BT.
The dude who created BET, I don't remember his name right now. That dude's the GOAT.
Why?
Bro, like it's the man.
Cause he gave you BT uncut.
Set it exactly 500 on the nose, so that way it'll melt DR25, but won't melt the wire.
All right, now it's time to prime. See if we have any. Well, that didn't sound right. I didn't hear nothing go off. Oh, no. Had to wire up my fuel pump. Quick disconnect type ordeal. And now, right? No fuel leaks. Nothing's leaking. Oh, spaced up.
Pull that cover up. We need to look at the hanger. That's gonna be the first place that leaks.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
One job, man.
One job. It's leaky. And loose line, tightened it, all good. Slow on fuel, so it's gonna.
Damn, you got no gas in it.
I know.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's probably you have no gas.
You think?
You think so?
You're gonna be sucking a lot
he
more
has
fuel
He
now.
has a little gas. That's the thing.
You got a little gas?
No, dude, I have no gas. Like
Probably no gas.
there's gas like when I took off the hanger, there's a little bit. I mean, there was some in
Damn, bro,
the sock.
Do you ever pump gas?
You gotta remember too, you just dumped a shit ton of gas right there.
Facts.
Damn, man.
Yeah, my everything was like low. Probably gotta go run out and get some gas or something. But other than that, boy, we ain't got no more leaks. We're good to go. Oh, I got a check engine light. That's why my Zosh is light up yellow. Check engine light. Uh-oh. Cam sensor. I forgot we were messing with it yesterday.
I'm gonna take this back. You don't need it?
Yeah.
Cool. I don't think I left anything up there.
That's crazy. It's still low. Sounds nice as fuck.
I am driving my Integra again on the JBTuned full E85 K-swap fuel kit. And I got no gas and I'm very scared. Hopefully I make it to the gas station without shutting down. I hope. Please pray for me. Please. So I left my wallet at home on accident, and so I had to come to 7-Eleven to get gas. Well, you never get gas at 7-Eleven, dog, unless you live in Japan. But we don't live in Japan. And our gas here sucks. So I'm gonna head back home, get my wallet, then, yeah, I guess, I don't know, hook up the GoPro Cruise. I don't know, I mean, it's done. The fuel kit is done. No gas leaks. I mean, this is my modified fuel cover. It is what it is. It works. It looks good. It is what it is. So that's that. And yeah, I think we're gonna cruise later with Randy or something, but I don't know. Other than that, man, this video is done, son. Your boy is done, B. I'm done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap it up for part 2 of my JBTuned full E85 fuel replacement kit hose line Trayvon mark. That's it, baby. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We will be tuning the car this Sunday down in Miami at JBTuned Dyno Place of Business. Yeah. I'm excited. Let's get some guesses going. How much power you guys think I'm going to make on E85? Currently, I make 235 on 93 pump gas. So on E85, how much power do you think I will make? If you can successfully guess, if you can be the first one to successfully guess how much horsepower and torque I would make once I tune on E85, well, flex fuel E85, then you will get something from your boy, from Zosh MFG. Speaking of Zosh MFG, check us out. Thank you. And I cannot forget, JBTuned. Use discount code ZOSH to save 10% off your fuel line kit today. No matter what fuel line kit you want, you get 10% off that bad boy using discount code ZOSH. Huge thank you to JB for making this video series possible. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. Comment, please. It helps the logarithm. Subscribe if you're new, or if you just love me, or if you want to love me. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.